Anishinaabe Tabajimowin. The Ojibwe story of how Creator made our world. Everything was dark at that time. Ojibwe Tabajimowin Ekatumagak Iu Jemnedo Kijitopak da Kimna. Megwa Akenegego Magishabakadeba Uepi is called the Seven Fires of Creation. Ashnekade Magat Nijwa Sweshkudeng Matki Magak. The first fire of creation is the first thought. Nitam Shkude Matki Magak Awen. Nitam Nendamowin. Creator's thought and heartbeat form the stars. Kjemnedo da Anendamowin Minwa Adayam Kijian Nungunsan. The second fire of creation is the first fire, grandfather's son. Ekunijing Shkude Matkimagak Mi Oe Netam Shkude Mishomis Jesus. The third fire of creation is twinness. Grandmother Moon giving us two sides to all things. Ekutsing Shkude Matkimagak Mi Oe Nisho Denwin. Nokumis the big Jesus Kiminagona Enisho Demagak Akenagego. The fourth fire of creation is the first movement. Movement of our world is balanced by the four directions. Ekuniwing Shkude Matkimagak Mi Oe Nitam Majibedek. Kenegego Majibedemagat Ma Gutkamik. Niwin Nikia Bepetemagak. The fifth fire of creation is the first seed. Seeds of life were made from the basis of the first four stages of creation. Ekunaning Shkude Matkimagak Mi Oe Tam Minkan. Matazawid Minkanan Ka Ashichgadek P Niwing Gi Nitam Singba. The sixth fire of creation is the earth. The first woman to birth the seeds of life. Ekko Gudwa Chingshkode Matkimagak Mi Oe Ke Nitam Kwe Gi Pinojimit. The seventh fire of creation is the first human being, an image of the Creator himself. Ekwa Nishwa Chingshkode Matkimagak Mi Oe Nitam Bematisit. Eshenagasit Bishko Go Jemnedo Eshenagasit.